WSR-600XR Operation Guide. Step 1. Turn on the main power switch. Step 2. Activate the emergency stop switch. Step 3. Unlock the machine with the key. Step 4. Insert the wired remote control. Step 5. Extend the outriggers on both sides. Step 6. Ensure the suction cups are flat and properly adhered to the material to be lifted. Step 7. Turn on the vacuum switch. The vacuum operational light should illuminate upon activation. Step 8. Slide the vacuum slide valve upwards. Step 9. It is safe to proceed when the vacuum gauge indicates the green zone, with vacuum sensor readings between -60 kilopascals to -70 kilopascals, and the vacuum alarm light remains off. Step 10. Use the control handle to maneuver the glass. Step 11. Activate the wired remote control and adjust the speed dial to above 50%. WSR-600XR specifications. Maximum load capacity, 600 kilograms. Maximum working height, 5 meters. Endless rotation, 360 degrees. Tilting, 30 degrees upwards, 90 degrees downwards. Lateral movement, 100 mm left and right. Side turning, 80 degrees left and right. Boom extension, 600 mm manually, 1400 mm hydraulically. Adjustable single suction cup position and suction cup frame width. Equipped with wired remote control with a range of up to 6 meters. Control handle with collision prevention feature. Horn. Reinforced outriggers on both sides. Charging port. Overload warning light. Tool storage box.